Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Exercise 5.2 Question 1 to 5. Look at the question number 1. Sin x squared plus 5. Differentiate sin x squared function with respect to x. Sin x squared plus 5. Sin x differentiation is cos x. But here sin x squared plus 5. So how to do it? Cos x squared plus 5. Cos x squared plus 5. Then we have to differentiate x squared. What is x power n? 2x. Nx to the power of n minus 1. So x squared is times 2x. It is better to write 2x cos x squared plus 5. Differentiation with respect to x. First put let y equal to sin x squared plus 5. Then differentiate. dy by dx is equal to sin x is cos x. Here sin x squared plus 5. So cos x squared plus 5 times 2x. Okay. Now question number 2. Cos sin x. Okay, let y equal to cos sin x. What is dy by dx is? Differentiation with respect to x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. But here cos sin x. So minus sin, then put sin x. Don't put minus sin x. Minus sin, because cos differentiation is sin. Cos sin x is minus sin sin x. Okay. Cos chocolate means minus sin chocolates. Okay. Then differentiate sin x. How to differentiate sin x? So, is cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. So better to write always, if you write like this, sin x times cos x, like that it will come. So bring it here, minus cos x, then sin x. Got it? This 2x, this 2x, this cos x is nothing but chain. Okay, it's nothing but chain mechanism. Okay. Next, question number 3. Sin ax plus b. Let y equal to sin ax plus b. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to cos ax plus b times ax plus b. Ax differentiate a. 5x differentiation 5. Kx is k. Ax cos ax plus b times a. This a is the chain mechanism. Chain differentiation. So the answer is a times cos ax plus b. Got it? Okay. Next, copy down question 1 to 3. Okay. Question 4. Secant x. Secant x, what is the differentiation? Secant x tan x. Now question number 4 is secant tan root x. So secant tan root x is now let y equal to secant root x. Secant tan root x. dy by dx is, first differentiate secant x. Secant x is secant x tan x. Secant tan root x, then tan root x. Okay. Now we differentiated secant only. Then again we have to come tan root x. Tan root x, tan x, what is the differentiation? Secant squared x. Secant squared root x. Then root x differentiate half x. Root x is what? X power of. X power of, how to differentiate? Nx to the power of n minus 1. So half x to the power of minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus half. Half x to the power of minus half. Okay, we can little simplify. X power minus half, nothing but it is 1 by x power of, it is 1 by root x. Okay, now I am writing here 1 by 2 root x, then secant squared root x, then secant tan root x, then tan root x. Okay, good. Copy down. Now question number 5. U over V. What is the differentiation? Let y equal to, if y equal to uv, u over v means dy by dx is v u dash. U dash is nothing but differentiation of u minus u v dash divided by v squared. Dy by dx. V is what? Cos cx plus d. This is v. What is u? Sin ax plus b. Differentiation of u? Cos ax plus b times a. Minus v u dash minus u sin ax plus b, v dash cos cx plus b d differentiate. Cos x is minus sin x. Cos cx plus d minus sin cx plus d. Then cx plus d, if you differentiate c, the people will mostly commit this mistake. Put it in bracket. Otherwise, it will look like cos cx plus d, cos ax plus b times a minus sin ax plus b. Minus will come. It is not minus. You have to multiply it. Very careful. Most of the students are committing these mistakes. Divided by cos squared cx plus d. Okay. So how to do it? Cos cx plus d, cos ax plus b times a. I am splitting numerator two contents, divided by cos squared cx plus d. This cos squared cx plus d for both the contents in the. Then this minus will be plus. Sin ax plus b sin cx plus d times c over cos squared cx plus d. In the trigonometry, try to simplify as much as maximum. This square, this will cancel. So cos cx plus d, denominator is having cos squared cx plus d 2 times. So 1 will be cancelled. So what will happen? Cos ax plus b times a divided by cos cx plus d. Okay, copy down until now. So what will happen? Cos ax plus b times a over cos cx plus d. Here sin ax plus b. Here there is no cos cx plus d in the numerator, but sin cx plus d is there. Then we can simplify. Sin x over cos x is tan x. Here sin cx plus d over cos cx plus d, it is tan cx plus d. So sin ax plus b okay, this sin cx plus d, this cx plus d, cos squared cx plus d, 1 will be cancelled. 1 instead of cos squared cx plus d, now the denominator will be only cos cx plus d. Sin ax plus b tan cx plus d times c over cos cx plus d. We simplify it as much as maximum. Still we can. Cos cx plus d is in the denominator. What is 1 over cos x? It is secant x. 1 over cos cx plus d, secant cx plus d. Take it out. Secant cx plus d. This is going up times a cos ax plus b plus secant cx plus d sin ax plus b times c, then tan, copy down until now. Then tan cx plus d. Okay. Then take out secant cx plus d. A cos ax plus b. This step is not required. You can stop with the previous steps. Sin a plus c sin ax plus b times tan cx plus d. Finish it. That's all. Copy down. Here we learned sin x if you differentiate cos x, cos x if you differentiate minus sin x, tan x if you differentiate secant squared x, secant x if you differentiate secant x tan x, square root of x if you differentiate half x to the power of minus of you can do it 1 over 2 root x. Okay, then sin x over cos x is tan x. 1 over cos x is, then it is a trigonometry sign. Sin x over cos x is tan x. 1 over cos x is secant x. Thank you for watching my videos. Wish you all the best.